How to add a domain alias to your account in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to add a domain alias. Click the Add Domain Alias button. Enter the domain alias name you want to create. If you have more than one domain in your account, choose the domain you want this new domain alias to point to. In most cases, you'll want to leave the settings options checked. When ready, click OK. That's it. The new domain alias has been created, and you can manage it from here. Removing domain aliases is just as easy. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to add a domain alias to your account in Plesk.